Hi everyone, good morning. I'm here sa grandstand kaya mag-study ko. Dali-dapit sa Fulbright tapat. Kaya mag-research na Yes. And gusto ko hilom. So niari ko direct early morning around secret 7 a.m. Yes. It's very early. So yeah. The weather is so good. Medyo init lang siya dyan. Pero presko kayo diri yes. And it's 1 week na lang before the end of the semester. So best of luck! As you can see, the weather is good. Yes. Nice kayo and presko. So this, ano yung akong gaganahan kay hilom siya. Better kayo mag-study diri. And under the tree pa jud ka. Yes. Charot-charot rong mag-study guys. I'm here. Gaay na. Presko kayo diri lami kayo igda-igda. Yan. Charot-charot lang to. Cloud chasing na to mag-study.